Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new JBL G03 wireless speaker. So let's unbox this. And it is a Bluetooth speaker 5.1 connectivity. It can really connect it very fast. And at the back you will see some specification over here, like model number, 1 unit of Bluetooth speaker, 1 unit of charging type C cable, 1 unit of quick start guide. So friends, let's open it. Here you will see a Bluetooth speaker, and it is very compatible and lightweight. And here it is a quick start guide and USB to type C cable. So let's keep it aside and let's see. Its build quality is very good. It is a cloth material, JBL, and you will see the design over here. And it is a type C charging cable and Bluetooth and power on and off, volume up and down. So let's on it. So first let's connect it. And friends, you can see the JBL G03 is connected. Let's test it. Friends, you can see its sound quality is very good. Its bass and thumping bass is very good. And you will see you can purchase it from Amazon and Flipkart. I have given the link in the description. You can buy it from there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.